Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be unboxing my package. Get the box out. Okay, so it's one of my shoes.
Wow, let me see. Shoes. Wow, so beautiful.
I'm gonna go try them on.
Okay. Try on. Does it fit? Do the other one. Put the other one on. It's so glittery. Wow, let me see. Nice. Do you like your shoes?
Yes!
Bye-bye. Sige na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
That's it for today, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, click the bell button, and we'll see you guys.
Bye-bye. Sige na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
That's it for today, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, click the bell button, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Bye, Brady.
Bye! Say wait! Ready, wait! Bye! Bye!
Very good.